Unit 2, 2.1. Birds can fly. A. Listen, sing, and act. Birds can fly. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump. Frogs can jump. Very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. B. Look, listen, repeat, and enact. Fly, jump, swim, walk, run, hop. Unit 2, 2.1. Birds can fly. A. Listen, sing, and act. Birds can fly. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump. Frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. B. Look, Listen, repeat and enact. Fly, jump, swim, walk, run.